Marty, you were right about the Bridgeport. I use this more than anything I've ever owned, and I've owned this for about 20 years. I've rebuilt it. This screw that goes all the way through here, and there's a brass nut. I've taken all this apart, this off, and replaced that with a brand new one. I bought it online on eBay for 200 bucks. I added these power up, power down on the table, and this one runs it back and forth. When I got this machine, it was just manual. So I changed all that. I added this so you can run this up and down by hand, or it runs automatic, or you can run it off of this feather lift right here. But I use this constantly. You just can't imagine how much. About every part in here. Here's a part that I made a long time ago. This was just a solid piece of aluminum. I cut it out and made it. I made two of them. I forget what I made them for. It seemed like it was for the motorcycle for something. But this one I just left up here. Tons and tons of stuff. Use that all the time. This is my workbench too. This top piece right here, 2 inches thick of steel. This was part of a robot that we wrecked out of someplace down in Anderson, and they gave me this. I had 2 of them, and I gave the other one away. But also, this is ground right here on a surface grinder. This is my surface grinder, and this is really just to square things up. Just like that piece right there. That was a rough piece of steel, and I just squared it up on all sides so I could use it. I use it a lot over here as parallels. I make them to lift the pieces off of the deck right here so that you can mill them, you know, flat sheets. Otherwise you can't do it in here. This comes off. This right here is a rotary table that fits on here so you can do round pieces. You crank it around right here and it spins. That gives you 360 degrees so you can do multiple holes. I'm going to be using it a lot here coming up on the Chore Master, because I have to do some assemblies for the axles. Alright, anyway, it's fun. I'm in here a lot, especially every morning, just about for about an hour or two.